Peace Tom don release another part. How many parts? Now me say part 1, part 2 go reach part 10. No, this thing don't pass part 10. No. Peace Tom again. Hey, my people, now don't watch Peace Tom video. The bomb went through away. For my side, don't be bomb. Welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. If today the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, guys, please do well to subscribe. Join this beautiful family. Okay, if you like what I they do, please join. And please, I dey beg you now, my beautiful people, make una still dey watch other video. No be all those only this but other news dey when we dey blast. I beg, yes, make una still dey watch. Okay, thank you. As una do so, I really appreciate. I bring this matter come outside when Peace Tom, the video Peace Tom and Editorial drop. You know, when Editorial drop video when it record Peace Tom, then I did very strong. For me, I see something inside. Waiting the boy they try to peel out the video of the boy and Peace Tom. Now they combine together now. Waiting the boy try to bring out. He want let people know say UK just the vet for her sister. No be Peace Tom matter. And now waiting me they talk right from the beginning of this case. No be Peace Tom matter and I make UK they blast. You understand? They vet for his sister. Maybe waiting her sister they do. Now that part this boy try to bring out, but Peace Tom now come the vex. And Peace Tom now come the like say I want to show my smartness. You can't call the boy. I think I see. If I never watch that video, I'm go watch am. Where I for blame the boy for let Peace Tom know say, girl, I record you, or I want record you so that me I clear the head say no be you. This particular part where you just talk now say I talk to Ekeme, may she not drop video again. Ekeme not drop video again. I want let the world know. At least this boy for let Peace Tom know, but let her know, because I not see to blame the boy. If now look at, because the boy they receive some comment. I react to one of the comments when somebody said the boy say I will not give you one of my subscribe, that is her subscribe. She subscribe to the guy. Say team Editorial, like say Editorial na the boy mama, or Editorial na the boy sister. Now just in-law. When the wife, when they marry, come their house. Say if Editorial not give Peace Tom her money, she no subscribe. For the whole issue about Peace Tom say people they blame her, say people they blast her, people they talk to her, say she na bad person. Right from this case, I talk and say, your opinion and my opinion can never be the same, and my opinion can never be your opinion. Some people like Editorial, some people like Ekeme, some people like Peace Tom. And some people like this guy, what did they talk about? So I don't know whether or not they understand me. Okay, what if Peace Tom they quarrel about now? Say the boy take a record, go blast. Say the boy want people to make people they insult her, and people they already they insult you. Before the boy even blast that record, people don't they already they insult you, say you not good, you not do this, you not do that. You understand? Right from the session, make them fix your accent. For me, right from the beginning, I always feel pity for you. But now when you come, they say person want use you take grow. For me, you don't really get anything. You was smart. Say okay, you want to ask get follow person. Then if I do ask get, from there I go blast. You was smart for that part. Say let me now. Editorial not really smart self. Editorial not smart. Editorial just look at like selfish interest. This thing will favor me. Now I make Editorial. Then you wise, say with that you go blast. And today people know you for the social media. For me, the main purpose of me doing this video, Peace Tom, that's your part 2 video when you say you will bring come. If you bring her come out, we will still talk put. For me, no bring her come out. The guy try to clear your name. Say no be Peace Tom UK they fight for. May UK and the sister try settle. May they remove now Peace Tom matter and I make me the fight. Now wait till the boy try to clear from your head. Say no be you. You understand? For you to call the guy now, they tell am say, you let me know. Say na editorial not make Mazi, no be una dey call am. Give me money. You wan let the boy talk am again so that me, I wish the boy can't talk am just now. May we be careful. Peace Tom also. I wish that boy can't talk am to the record. The editorial come here. You know, family. The house, no peace will come there again. You want scatter brother and brother. Ekeme and editorial they be cousin. Editorial husband and this guy they be the same papa, the same mama. Wetin na they try to do? Wetin they try to do, Peace Tom? Yeah, the boy he make mistake for recording you, but for my own, the boy not record you for bad. He just like people to know say you not be the bad person inside. Say not be you Ekeme they fight for, but you say na you Ekeme they fight for. Ekeme they fight his sister, maybe his sister character, or maybe his sister he doing, or maybe his sister what he supposed to do for him, he not do for her. But your own, you just use her like like king to use. Now you not just know, be like say they use something to cover your eye or your brain. My sister, Peace Tom, collect say so. Comot hand for those family matter. Comot hand, because I wish that boy now, he not control him mouth. He can't talk. Because if they tell am say yes, you call that part when you say you know say that my sister they control my brother, and you know say my sister editorial now they control my brother. You know say na editorial, he not make my brother give you money. Na editorial they make my brother. I wish that boy can't repeat that the same thing. You want put fire for people house? The one way first they never do. If na person they push or na you they push yourself, I beg comot hand for these people family. Peace Tom, I love you as a child of God, but you go extend say you want record the boy, may repeat about editorial. Anybody can do it. Once you stay with brother and wife, maybe not be waiting you they think say it be, maybe it can't show character, or maybe no one make you stay with them gay. You with go they talk, you go say no mind now. You can blast your brother and wife. You can blast them. And you, my brother, be careful. Know who you they talk to. Know who you they talk about editorial to. I know editorial not be your God. You will still make them by special grace of God. Because some brother, wife, as this matter they go now, I don't know whether now they look because as Peace Tom say, you know, say my brother, my brother, why not they agree my brother help people? And Peace Tom say when you want go the house, if they agree, may you. I don't know whether now don't they see matter for grand yo. Because the boy be dead the house before. The boy did the house. But now I be like the boy not there again. He go starting own. And it's good, my brother. Nothing God no fit do. You hear? Hustle. I know so you will make it. You and Peace Tom for who join together. I mean, I not come from you. Hey, Peace Tom say get choice. So as I watch one of his videos, say my choice and your choice not be the same. That is true. But you and young musician, no be musician, and now I go call her. 12 now for fit to Peace Tom. Me not fight to hear. Me not let editorial and Ekeme matter briquettes come for una. That boy try to clear your name. I no bring part 2, no bring any video again. Okay? Me not try settle this matter. Yes, me not try. And all those commenters. Now just watch video, just carry phone, they call person. Now comment all those viewers. Now be real problem, be reactor. The reactor they learn for where those commenter. They use their phone till they talk amebo. People they use their phone till they do till they make money. You just carry your phone for where they say the person evil, the America be where. When Peace Tom say just now they collect sense, all those commenter, all those tough people. Now not just get work, jobless people. People they use their phone till they collect money. Now they use their phone till they tough. Why you carry phone? You that person when carry for call Peace Tom. Why you carry for call? Why you not let Peace Tom watch the video by itself? Una to the tafia na go say na reactor na be problem. Now be problem. Now be problem. Now just see person picture. Now just run collector. That is Peace Tom na your star now. Hey, Peace Tom. I beg go. Hey, matter problem not go finish. May God let this problem end o. My beautiful people, na wetin I get to talk be this. Peace Tom no bring part 2. I pray make you hear o, no bring am come out. This boy try to clear your name, say no be you. Ekeme dey vex for his sister, and this one I get to talk o. My beautiful people, na free to drop una own opinion. Abeg, congratulations to you, Peace Tom. I see say advert don dey play for your video. I'm happy for you. I rejoice with you. Na wetin we want be this, okay? Congratulations. Keep winning and keep making the money, okay? Make una stop fight. Please, so my beautiful people, make una say dey watch other for our video. Na beg, I dey beg una. Make una say dey watch other for our video. Thank you all.
We don't cast, last, now everybody go to breakfast.